Well, I will agree with you, Mr. Chair. But may I mention that with the changes, with the discussion of improvement of operations of customs, that in my time we were able to improve collection and had we met the targets and had a surplus collection of 18 billion pesos.
I believe on that. But surely, if you put back the X-ray inside the custom, the government will earn more. This is economic sabotage. Economic sabotage ang ginawa po ninyo. Ibig nyo, Mr. Nick Paildon. Economic sabotage. Did you tell to the President that the X-ray is outside the jurisdiction of the government?
I discuss it with my immediate boss.
No,
Your Honor.
I'm asking you kung sinabi mo sa Presidente.